AI generated free stock images. So here you can search millions of prompts and AI masterpiece. Here is the AI generated free stock images. You can use it commercially, 100% free. And there are millions of images. So you can download it any image you want, and all the images are in HD quality. If you are looking for any kind of images, so you can just search it here. So let me search flower and see. There are thousands of flowers came. Just search it anything you want and see. There would be thousands of results will come out. So you can download any image you want. Suppose I want this image, just click on that image and just download it from here. Even you can create the images also from your prompt. So click create from a scratch. Here you will have to give the prompt, choose the style, choose the size, how many images you want to generate it, and click generate and see the result. This is amazing. Just download it from here and see the quality of this image, and there are no watermark. You can generate images from text totally free of cost. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe the channel. If you haven't subscribed, have a good day all the